Hello, welcome back, you guys. My name is Jessica Giovanna, and I'm going to be looking at wedding dresses today. Yay! And so, the thing about the wedding dress, I was actually able to go get the dress that I really, really wanted, which is really awesome. But this was the dress I was going to get and was going to be completely okay with. And I guess let me if this is the first time you're tuning into this video or my channel, I've been doing a series on how to get your wedding under a grand, and I've just been kind of doing like a little ticket counter at the side of like how much money I've spent and how much I have left to spend. But yes, I will be doing or I have been doing all that. This is like the fourth video. And I'll have all those linked down below too, so you can check it out. I think the last video I did was venues. It was pretty good. I'm glad. Of course, I will, have more things on. I kind of touched on decoration a little bit in that video, but, because everyone has different themes. Mine in particular, I'm doing like the rustic country kind of look. So that's why, I understand if you have a different theme that you're going for, but there's Amazon, of course, and then there's a site called AliExpress that has some pretty cheap stuff on there, especially for weddings, like decorations and all sorts of stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys. This was the dress. There's a lot of really pretty wedding dresses, and they're $40. This one right here was the one I was going for. But it's funny because the last time I had looked at it, it was $70. I think the price actually went up on it. Let me see. 8. Oh, well, no, actually it did go up. It went up about $5. So it was 74. But yeah, this dress was cheaper when I saw it, but I was just like, so crazy. And I'm predicting that, and look at this, I'm predicting that this dress is going to be like more eventually in the future. They're probably going to raise the price on this dress. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys some of the really pretty awesome photos on here that people have posted for their reviews. The dress is really pretty, and I feel like it looks really great on, let's say you're gonna have and that's the other thing about getting your dress online too, is you don't really necessarily know what you're getting. This looks like it's been snagged on something, unfortunately. But I mean, that's the cool thing about Amazon is the returns, free returns. But typically, but also make sure that the person you're buying from offers free returns, because a wedding dress is pretty serious thing to have to get and worry about and whatnot. And I just feel like this dress is really pretty and looks really good on. Oh, I love that so much. That's like, if my theme in a nutshell is kind of like that. But I feel like the dress looks really nice on a lot of, I love that, on a lot of different body types, and it's very flattering. So I was like, oh, this is going to be my backup dress if like something, goes wrong, or, because I was going to get a dress on AliExpress, and that's a whole other thing. But yeah, oh, she looks gorgeous. But yeah, the dress is, I love that. But yeah, the dress is really pretty, and I feel like it looks really good on anybody. And that was going to be like my dress if something, went wrong with the other dress I was going to order online. But it just fits so many people so well, and I was totally okay with it. And then something had came up to where I was actually able to get the dress of like my dreams. So literally is the dress of my dreams, and I am really happy and blessed. But I was going to be totally fine wearing this, like, completely. But yeah, I think it's gorgeous, and it looks so good on like anybody. I love that. But yeah, it's really beautiful, and I definitely would be happy in this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys just, definitely there's some other, there's so many other dresses, 180. You don't have to spend like a crazy amount on a dress. I wasn't really into spending gobs of money on the dress or even the wedding because yes, it's a special day, but it's not all of, it's not about how fancy everything looks. It's about, you two as, a couple, and it's just another milestone in your life, and just celebrating that, not just, if you have the funds to do so and that's what you want to do, you do that. But I was really happy I was actually able to, get the dress that I really, really wanted. And I didn't think I was going to find anything. And it turns out I did. And I had the funds, and I'm okay with it. But I would have been totally happy with this completely. But yes, I'm going to have my little counter up there and add that. So I'm going to be... I think next time I'm going to be kind of touching more on dinnerware and plates and decor sort of things. So thank you so much for stopping by. And if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you hated it, please leave a dislike. And if you wanted me to go through more dresses on here that I found, I would love to do that. I love shopping, but or finding bargains. I love finding bargains for sure. But yeah, if you have any questions, want me to make a video on something in particular, please just leave it in the comments below, and I read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. But thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you later. Till next time. Bye!